Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by collecting tabs, a fine tip pen, and the pages to divide. First, pick the organizing logic, alphabetical, chronological, or by priority, because that determines placement and prevents relabeling. Once decided, select your 3-5 primary sections and mark them lightly on the edge so you can align tabs consistently. Make sure to reserve space for subsections. This avoids overcrowding. As you apply the first tab, press firmly at the same angle each time so all tabs sit uniform and readable. Now continue by aligning each tab precisely. Hold the ruler and set a consistent offset from the page edge because uniform placement speeds navigation. Place secondary tabs inside primary sections for subsections, staggering them slightly so you can see all labels at once. Once done, label clearly with short words or symbols and use colors to encode meaning. Color equals quick recognition. Make sure to smooth adhesive down and flip pages to test that tabs don't catch when you riffle through the document. Finish by reviewing the whole set. Riffle through the pages and confirm every tab stays put and remains legible. If a tab feels loose, repress it or replace it right away. Adhesive weakens over time. Keep a one-page master index at the front so you understand the system at a glance and can update labels without tearing tabs off. If a tab is misaligned, lift and reapply carefully or trim excess adhesive. This fixes catching and keeps the system smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.